हेलौ लोगोफोर, वेलकाम बेक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। नोंथांमोन बयखौबो आंनि बे मोनसे गोदान भिडिअआव फिन खनसे बरायहरनाय जाबाय। बे भिडिअनि गेजेरजों नोंथांमोनहा नुनो मोनगोन उदै राहोनायनि माखासे एक्सारसाइज। नोंथांनि उदैया जेब्ला गोरा जाया, उदै रायागौमानि नोंथाङा खारनो हानाय नङा मेङालासे। एक्सिलेन्ट खारनो हानाय नङा दे लोगोफोर। बेनि थाखायनो फार्स्टआवनो नोंथांमोनहा उदैखौ गोरा खालामनानै लाग्रोनांगौ। भिडिअखौ जोबजासिम नायलांदो। नोंथांमोननिसिम आंनिफ्राय गुरै खावलायहरनाय जायो लोगोफोर, नोंथांमोनहा आंनि भिडिअखौ नायोल', चेनेलखौ दासिमबो साबस्क्राइब खालामनानै लाया। अन्नानै चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालाम, शेयार खालाम, लाइक, कमेन्ट खालाम। लोगोफोर, नोंथांमोननि थाखायनो आं बेबायदि मोजां कन्टेन्ट लाबोबाय थागोन दे खारनायनि सोमोन्दै। आंनियाव जा एक्सपिरियेन्स दं नोंथांमोननो शेयार खालामनो होननानैनो आं बे इउट्युब चेनेलखौ खुलिनाय जादों दे लोगोफोर। जय बर' हारिनि जय हिन्द। अके लोगोफोर, बिदिबा नोंथांमोनहा भिडिअखौ जोबजासिम नायलांदो आरो नोंथाङाबो सानफ्रामबो खारखांनायनि उनाव बेबायदिनो एक्सारसाइज खालामबाय था दे लोगोफोर।
Long days, long nights, no aid, this is my fight. A small cage, but a big height. All's at stake, it's my time to shine. Yeah, I'ma train hard, mistakes turn into learned scars. To build a brickyard, it's one by one, each bar. So build it tall, build it strong, build it large. And build a base first, so reliable, you can reach the stars. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I could barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. There's moments in time where you gotta step up, be courageous and grind. When you come face to face with the fears that you have, do you cower or shine? Today is the day, make a change in my life, I think it's about time. I won't let fear hold me back anymore from me getting what's mine. I'll change my brain, my thoughts. A new game, new rules, my laws. Step up, slay down, a new boss. I'll be the one, starting my reign, up at the top. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I could barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Lights so bright, I can feel the rays. My lungs feel tight, I can barely breathe. Sleepless nights, waiting for the day. I wanna be strong, wanna be brave. Bloody hands wrapped, covered up in tape. I might not be the best, but I never break. I will not surrender, I am a contender. I gotta be strong, gotta be brave. Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen, looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted. Yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough. Better watch out, I'm on the climb to the crown. In my prime right now, hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets, it's funny. I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others find they feel things. Of motivating and killing, depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the flames. Yeah, I do this every day, even when I feel drained. A true man pushes through, you don't hear complaints. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough. Out, cause I'm here now and I'm staying. Claws out, this the fight that I've been craving. I know there's something inside of me, but it's been masked by fear and anxiety. But no more, I'ma break out of the chains. Let's go! I'm waking up, this ain't enough. All of my dreams were starting to rust, but I believe that I can adjust. Positive thoughts, I'm starting to trust. Nothing's deserved unless you work. Something of worth requires an urge. I have been hurt by those at their worst, but that gave me will, some power, a surge. and they know that I won't surrender. So they fear me as a contender. When I fight, they always remember. Yeah. I will be known, I won't let go. I will not stop, I will be great. I will be known, I won't let go. I will not stop, I will be great. 'Cause we came here to conquer, like we're monsters. We can last much longer, we do this for honor. We came here to conquer, like we're monsters. And we can last much longer, we do this for honor. I am a hunter, I've been filled with demons and hunger. I am the thunder, I command the masses in numbers. Look at the fear in their eyes, this is what happens when you are surprised. It's time to meet your demise, just call me Zeus and look to the sky. Everything's amplified, no they cannot deny, I will be rectified. If you dissect me, find scar tissue left behind, injuries that define me to my core. They'll hear me roar like never before, the pain I absorbed, it's feeding my core. I'm hard to ignore, I'll beat down your door. If you wanted war, well then you got war. And they know that I won't surrender, so they fear me as a contender. When I fight, they always remember. Yeah. I will be there.